Nnamdi Kanu arrived court in high spirits as he continues to seek freedom after being locked up for a while. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu arrived Lagos in grand style with massive convoy for the 50th anniversary of ECOWAS. Okay guys, on the news today, Nnamdi Kanu arrived court as he continues to seek freedom. During the court session today, he made a very strong declarative statement, and he said that those people that are causing insecurity in the southeast does not want him to be released. That is why he's been locked up. Or some of our politicians has interest in the insecurities that happen in the southeast, that because they know immediately he gets his freedom, the insecurity in the southeast will stop immediately. The
primary concern is to stop insecurity in the south, and it will stop. Once I come out, it will stop, and they know it. So those keeping me in detention are those that are either benefiting or profiting from this. That's all there is to it.
President Bola Ahmed Tinubu arrived Lagos for the 50th anniversary of ECOWAS. You have to see the expensive convoy this man came with. Like the whole of Lagos today is a standstill. Like everywhere is locked up due to hold up. The whole road has been locked up as his cars just came. Listen, I money know this country that we are suffering, but the amount of cars in Tinubu's convoy today, even myself, I shock. Just count with me and see how many cars will this man be moved today. Just count with me how many cars. Just the count. Just the count the amount of cars this man came into, the amount of convoy he came with. Most of all these cars are bulletproof. These are Escalade 2025 with bulletproof, costing over $200,000 each. This is what you are seeing. They carry a lesson water. These are super expensive luxurious cars, bulletproof. This is what your government is going with, and they are claiming that Nigerians should be patient, but they are not patient to see the amount of cars they used. This is crazy, guys. Just look at what's the count. How many cars will this count? How many cars is there? Oh my God. These people no value us, so they no value us at all. They don't carry us for mind. Just be counting. Just be counting. They still go. They never finish. They never finish. If not manage it, please, they take the car and water. Convoy and water. Just the count. Just the count. Tomorrow they tell us to be patient. Get patient. But they know they get patient. Immediately they come. I'm brand new. Maybe Tokumbo. I'm brand new. Now they buy all of them. Bulletproof. Go check how much Escalade be. SUV Escalade. How much in be? 225, 224 models. You can know how much. 300 million, 400 million. And this is so. Now you get past like that. It's SP. He arrived the venue with the former head of state, Gowon, for the ECOWAS 50th anniversary that went down. It was welcomed in grand style. Lagos is in lockdown. I pity people there for Lagos. Don't cry tired today. Everywhere they locked up since yesterday in which he arrived Lagos. The convoy. Okay guys, tell us what you think about it. Like and share. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Peace out.
See how many fuel you burn. No, carry your bicycle. That's it. For other sets, see the back. Carry your bike.
Cameraman, please.